The history of ChatGPT is an interesting evolution within the field of artificial intelligence, AI, particularly as it relates to natural language processing, NLP. Here are the most important milestones in its development. 1. The beginnings of OpenAI, 2015 founding of OpenAI. OpenAI, the organization behind ChatGPT, was founded in December 2015 by leading figures such as Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, John Schulman, and Wojciech Zaremba. The goal was to develop artificial intelligence ethically and responsibly for the benefit of humanity. Initial goal: OpenAI started as a non-profit organization with the mission to promote and develop friendly and accessible AI for everyone. Throughout the early years, they worked on a series of models and algorithms to improve AI in areas such as computer vision, video games and language processing. 2. The GPT model, 2018 to 2020. GPT-1, 2018, OpenAI released the first GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, model, which was a breakthrough in language models. GPT-1 used a pre-training approach on large amounts of text to learn linguistic patterns and was then fine-tuned on specific tasks. Although innovative, GPT-1 was relatively small in terms of capability compared to later versions. GPT-2, 2019. In 2019, OpenAI introduced GPT-2, a much more powerful and advanced version of its predecessor. GPT-2 was designed to generate more coherent and fluid text. The model's ability to generate amazing text led to concerns about its misuse, so OpenAI initially did not fully release it, but later made it available to the community. GPT-3, 2020, the largest and most advanced model up to that point, GPT-3, was released in 2020. With 175 billion parameters, GPT-3 far surpassed its predecessors in terms of ability to generate human-quality text and perform complex tasks such as translation, writing, and programming. GPT-3 began to be used by developers and companies through an API for applications in various industries. 3. The ChatGPT launch, 2022. ChatGPT, November 2022, OpenAI introduced ChatGPT, a model based on the GPT 3.5 architecture, designed specifically to interact conversationally with users. Unlike previous models, which focused on individual tasks, ChatGPT was optimized to have fluid conversations and answer questions in a more accurate and detailed manner. The model was trained with a large amount of text data, allowing it to provide contextual responses in real time. Popularity: ChatGPT went viral shortly after its launch due to its ability to generate impressively natural and human-like responses. Its ease of use, coupled with the ability to have detailed conversations, led millions of users to interact with the model through OpenAI's platform. GPT-4 and the future of ChatGPT, 2023. GPT-4, 2023. In March 2023, OpenAI introduced GPT-4, which represented a significant advancement compared to GPT 3.5. GPT-4 has an even greater ability to understand and generate coherent text, with improvements in understanding complex tasks and handling more detailed instructions. In addition, GPT-4 also has improved capabilities in multimodal comprehension, meaning that it can process both text and images. Integration and applications: ChatGPT and GPT-4 have been integrated into various applications, including personalized assistance, content generation, scheduling, data analysis, and more. In addition, developers and companies have used OpenAI technology to create customized AI-based solutions. 5. Challenges and future: ethics and responsible use. As technology advances, OpenAI also faces challenges related to ethics, privacy, and misuse of artificial intelligence. Therefore, the organization has worked to implement security and moderation systems to prevent ChatGPT from being used for the creation of artificial intelligence. As such, the organization has worked to implement security and moderation systems to prevent ChatGPT from being used for the creation of harmful or misleading content. Future innovations. Future versions of ChatGPT are expected to continue to improve in terms of accuracy, creativity, and contextual understanding. In addition, AI will continue to expand its presence in multiple sectors, making collaboration with humans and artificial intelligence tools increasingly integrated into everyday life. In summary, ChatGPT represents a significant advancement in conversational AI technology and continues to evolve with the goal of delivering smarter and more useful tools for users around the world.